I'm going to show you exactly how to view blocked email addresses in Gmail. Open a browser on your computer, click the address bar, and type mail.google.com. Press enter. If you're not already signed in, Gmail puts up the sign-in page. Enter your email address and password, click Next, and let your inbox finish loading. Before you go any further, check the profile picture in the top right corner to make sure you're in the right Gmail account. The blocked list belongs to one account only, so if you're signed into a personal and a work account, the wrong one will show the wrong list. Once your inbox appears, look at the top right corner. The gear icon is right below your profile picture. Click that gear icon. A small quick settings panel drops down underneath it. You'll see options for display density, theme, inbox type, and reading pane. The blocked address list is not in this panel. At the top of that panel is a button labeled See All Settings. Click See All Settings. The full settings page opens. It usually lands on the General tab, so you'll see options like Undo Send, Keyboard Shortcuts, and Default Language. If you land somewhere else, that's okay. The tab row along the top is the same. Look for the tab called Filters and Blocked Addresses. Click that tab, give it a second to load. The top of this tab is all about filters. Those are rules that automatically archive, delete, or forward incoming messages. If you have filters, they show up as rows with checkboxes on the left and edit and delete links on the right. If you see a Create a New Filter button, don't click it right now. That's for making a rule, not for viewing blocked addresses. The blocked list is below every filter row. Use the scroll bar on the right or the mouse wheel and start moving down. You can also press the space bar to page down, but that can jump too far if you have a long list. Keep going past all the filter rows. There is no separate block tab here, so don't waste time looking at the top menu for a different page. When you get below the last filter, you'll see a heading that reads "The following email addresses are blocked." That's the section you came for. Underneath that heading, every address you've blocked from this account appears on its own row. Each row shows the raw email address and an unblocked link on the right. Just above the list, Gmail states that messages from these addresses are sent to spam. That's the same reason a sender can completely vanish from your inbox even when you don't remember creating a filter. Take a moment to read through the addresses. The list does not show display names or the date you blocked someone, it's only the full address and the unblocked link. Watch for lookalike addresses here. People tend to read the first part of an address and skip the rest, which is exactly how a misspelled domain goes unnoticed. I've seen people swear they blocked a certain person, but the row actually held a slightly misspelled version of the address. Check the last few characters in the domain. If you're checking one particular sender, look for the exact full address. If the section says you have not blocked any email addresses, the list is empty, and that's your answer. Now, if one of these addresses shouldn't be blocked anymore, hover over the row and move your cursor to the unblock link on the right. Click Unblock. The address disappears from the section immediately. That's the only step. Unblocking won't bring back any messages that already went to spam, but future mail from that sender will arrive in your inbox again. If you have a huge list of filters and you don't want to scroll every time, use the browser's find bar. Press Ctrl and F on Windows or Command and F on a Mac. Type the word blocked. The page jumps straight down to the blocked heading and highlights it so you skip all the filter rows in one step. One last check. If a sender is missing from your inbox and you don't find them on this blocked list, the cause is probably a filter, not a block. Scroll back up to the top of this same tab and look at the filter rows. If you find their address there, delete that filter and their messages will start coming through again. If this helped you find the blocked list you were looking for, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment saying this was helpful. Comments are what push this to other people looking for the same thing.